Hey, I'm Alan today with CPRA. Today we're on West Belle Pass. This is going to be a beach, dune, and marsh restoration just west of Fouchon in Lafourche Parish. So this project protects critical infrastructure in Fouchon as well as vulnerable marsh further up in the Terrebonne system. This particular piece is one of three sections we're restoring as part of the Terrebonne Basin Barrier Island project. The other two are going to be on Timberleer Island and Trinity Island. This entire project on West Belle Pass, Timberleer, and Trinity Island is funded by Deepwater Horizon funds. This was ground zero and heavily impacted by the oil spill 10 years ago, and now it's being restored and brought back to similar form and function. So this project is getting constructed by Weeks Marine. In total, this and the other two fill areas are going to have a footprint of about 1,100 acres. It's a big win for Louisiana coast. It greatly protects our coastline and protects the people and businesses of Louisiana.